Bangladesh, a land woven with rivers, holds a treasure, a silver treasure. This treasure is the hilsha fish. It is more than just food, it is lifeblood, it is culture. The hilsha with its shimmering scales is deeply woven into the fabric of Bangladesh. Generations have grown up with its distinct taste. Its arrival heralds celebration. Its absence brings concern. This fish is a symbol of the nation's spirit, resilient, strong, and deeply connected to the water. The hilsha is a story of Bangladesh itself. The Bay of Bengal is the heart of the hilsha's journey. Here they spend most of their lives, but they are not content with the open ocean. They yearn for the freshwater rivers. The urge to breed drives them. It is a powerful instinct. As the monsoon arrives, the rivers swell. The hilsha sense the change. Their migration begins. They battle the currents. They leap over obstacles. Their journey is a testament to their strength. Their goal? The spawning grounds of their ancestors. The rivers of Bangladesh become a silver spectacle. The hilsha arrive in their millions. The Padma, the Meghna, the Jamuna all bear witness. The waters teem with life. Fishermen ready their nets. Excitement fills the air. This is the season of bounty, the season of the hilsha. It is a time of hard work and celebration. The air is filled with the sound of commerce. The aroma of fresh fish fills the air. The hilsha has returned. Life continues its cycle. Chandpur, a district nestled along the Padma River, holds a special title. This serene and picturesque location is not just known for its natural beauty, but also for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant community life. The Padma River, with its vast expanse and tranquil waters, plays a crucial role in the lives of the people here. It is the hilsha capital of Bangladesh. This title is not just a name but a testament to the region's deep connection with the hilsha fish, a delicacy that is cherished across the country. The fishing activities here are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local fishermen who venture out into the river every day. This is where the best hilsha are said to be found. The fishermen proudly display their catch, showcasing the large, gleaming hilsha fish that are a source of pride and sustenance for the community. The fresh hilsha fish, with their silvery scales and distinctive shape, are a sight to behold. The waters here have a unique quality. The Padma River's clear and nutrient-rich waters provide an ideal habitat for the hilsha fish, allowing them to thrive and grow to their full potential. The underwater footage reveals the graceful movements of the hilsha as they swim through the river, a testament to the river's health and vitality. The hilsha that migrate here are said to have a superior taste. This is attributed to the unique conditions of the Padma River, which impart a distinct flavor to the fish. The fishermen, with their expert skills and knowledge passed down through generations, ensure that the hilsha are caught at the peak of their quality. Chandpur becomes a hub of activity during the hilsha season. The fish market buzzes with energy as vendors and buyers engage in the age-old tradition of trading hilsha. The time-lapse footage captures the dynamic and bustling atmosphere of the market, where every moment is filled with excitement and anticipation. The market is a sight to behold. Stalls are lined with rows of hilsha fish, meticulously arranged by the vendors to attract buyers. The sheer variety and abundance of hilsha on display are a testament to the river's bounty and the community's reliance on this precious resource. Hilsha of all sizes are on display. From the smallest fry to the largest, most prized specimens, the market offers a diverse selection of hilsha to cater to every preference and need. The vendors take pride in showcasing their best catches, each fish representing the hard work and dedication of the fishermen. From small fry to large, prized specimens. The contrast between the different sizes of hilsha highlights the river's ability to support a thriving population of this beloved fish. The fishermen, holding their prized catches, embody the spirit of Chandpur and its deep connection to the Padma River. Buyers and sellers engage in lively negotiations. The market is not just a place of commerce, but also a social hub where people come together to share stories, exchange news, and build relationships. The animated discussions and friendly banter add to the vibrant atmosphere of the market. The love for hilsha is palpable. The joy on the faces of customers holding their prized hilsha fish and the satisfaction of families enjoying hilsha dishes at local eateries reflect the deep cultural significance of this fish. In Chandpur, hilsha is more than just a meal. It is a symbol of tradition, community, and the enduring bond between the people and the river. The love for hilsha extends beyond borders. In India, particularly in West Bengal, this fish is a delicacy. It is a shared cultural heritage, a taste of home. The arrival of hilsha in Kolkata's markets is an event. People eagerly await their chance to savor this prized fish. Families gather, traditions are upheld. The hilsha transcends boundaries. It is a reminder of shared history and culture. It is a taste that unites, a symbol of brotherhood. Catching the hilsha is an art. Fishermen use traditional methods passed down through generations. They rely on their knowledge of the river, the currents, the tides, the behavior of the fish. Nets are cast into the water, the wait begins. The hilsha, known for their strength, put up a fight. Reeling them in requires skill and patience. It is a delicate dance between man and nature. The reward is worth the effort. Each catch is a testament to their knowledge, their connection to the water, their role in continuing a tradition. Different types of nets are used to catch hilsha. Each net is crafted with a specific purpose in mind, tailored to the unique behaviors and habitats of the hilsha fish. Each has a specific purpose. The intricate designs and sizes of these nets reflect the deep understanding and knowledge passed down through generations of fishermen. The current jal is a large net, often spanning the width of the river. This net is strategically placed to intercept the hilsha as they make their journey upstream during the monsoon season. It traps the hilsha as they migrate upstream. The sheer size and strength of the current jal make it an essential tool for capturing large quantities of hilsha, ensuring a bountiful catch. The Bahuti jal is a smaller net, used closer to the riverbanks. This net is designed to be more agile and maneuverable, allowing fishermen to target hilsha that venture into the shallower waters. It targets hilsha that come to feed in the shallower waters. The Bahuti jal is particularly effective during the early morning and late evening when the fish are most active near the banks. The kaptai jal is a specialized net used to catch hilsha fry. This net is finely woven to capture the tiny fry without harming them, ensuring the sustainability of future hilsha populations. These nets are more than just tools. They are meticulously crafted by hand, with each knot and weave representing the skill and dedication of the fishermen. They are symbols of tradition. The use of these nets is a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the fishing communities who have relied on these methods for centuries, of a way of life that has sustained generations. The knowledge and techniques associated with these nets are passed down from father to son, ensuring the continuity of this age-old practice. They represent the delicate balance between humans and nature. The fishermen's deep respect for the river and its inhabitants is evident in their sustainable fishing practices, which aim to preserve the ecosystem for future generations. As the sun sets over the river, the fishermen prepare their nets for the next day's catch, a ritual that has remained unchanged for centuries. This timeless tradition is a testament to the enduring bond between the fishermen and the river, a relationship built on respect, knowledge, and a deep understanding of the natural world. The intricate patterns of the nets are not just functional but also a form of art, showcasing the craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into every net. Each net tells a story of tradition, culture, and the unbreakable bond between the fishermen and their environment. At dawn, as the first light of day touches the river, the fishermen cast their nets, continuing a practice that has been a cornerstone of their community for generations. The nets, with their intricate designs and specific purposes, are a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the fishing communities who have thrived by living in harmony with the river and its bounty. Section 8, a culinary icon. The hilsha is a culinary icon in Bangladesh. Revered for its unique flavor and cultural significance, it holds a special place in the hearts and kitchens of the Bengali people. This fish is not just a food item, it is a symbol of tradition and heritage. Its unique taste is prized by all. The hilsha's flavor is often described as a perfect balance of rich, oily, and slightly sweet, making it a favorite among seafood lovers. The texture is tender yet firm, providing a delightful mouthfeel that is hard to match. Its flesh, rich and oily, is incredibly versatile. This versatility allows it to be the star of various dishes, each showcasing a different aspect of its complex flavor profile. Whether it's a simple preparation or a more elaborate dish, hilsha never fails to impress. It can be steamed, fried, grilled, or cooked in a curry. Each method brings out a different nuance of the fish's flavor, making it a versatile ingredient in Bengali cuisine. The possibilities are endless, and each preparation method has its own set of loyal fans. One of the most beloved dishes is ilish bhapa. This dish is a testament to the simplicity and elegance of Bengali cooking. The fish is steamed to perfection, allowing its natural flavors to shine through. Steamed hilsha, marinated in mustard and spices, is a true delicacy. The mustard adds a pungent kick, while the spices enhance the fish's natural flavors, creating a harmonious blend that is both bold and subtle. The aroma alone is enough to tantalize taste buds. As the fish steams, the kitchen fills with a mouth-watering scent that promises a delicious meal. The anticipation builds as the aroma wafts through the air, making it hard to wait for the first bite. Another popular dish is doi ilish. This dish showcases the fish's ability to absorb and complement a variety of flavors. The creamy yogurt sauce adds a tangy richness that pairs perfectly with the fish's oily texture. Hilsha cooked in a creamy yogurt sauce is a perfect blend of flavors. The yogurt's tanginess cuts through the fish's richness, creating a balanced and satisfying dish that is both comforting and exotic. Each bite is a celebration of Bengali cuisine. The hilsha fish is more than just a meal. It is an experience that brings people together. Whether it's a family gathering or a festive occasion, hilsha dishes are always at the center of the table, symbolizing unity and joy. Section 9, a festival of flavors. The hilsha is not just a dish. It is an integral part of Bangladeshi culture. It is a symbol of celebration and togetherness. No festive occasion is complete without it. During Pohela Boishakh, the Bengali New Year, families gather to enjoy a traditional meal. Hilsha takes center stage, a symbol of good luck and prosperity for the year ahead. Weddings, birthdays, religious festivals, all are incomplete without the hilsha. It is a symbol of auspicious beginnings, a taste of home that brings people together. Section 10. The soul of a nation. The hilsha is more than just a fish. It is the soul of Bangladesh. It represents the nation's deep connection to its rivers, its resilience in the face of challenges. The hilsha's annual migration is a reminder of the cyclical nature of life, of the ebb and flow of fortune, of the importance of preserving traditions. The hilsha is a symbol of hope, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of Bangladesh. Section 11, a legacy and scales. The hilsha's future, however, is not without challenges. Overfishing, pollution, and climate change threaten its existence. It is a stark reminder of the fragility of our ecosystem. Efforts are underway to conserve this precious species. Sustainable fishing practices, habitat restoration, and community involvement are crucial for its survival. The hilsha's story is a call to action. It is a reminder that we must protect our natural heritage. For present and future generations, the legacy of the hilsha must endure.